Hi everyone, this is your teacher Melody. What is our subject for today? Yes, it is Health 6. The topic that we will discuss is personal health issues and concerns. And our objective is describe personal health issues and concerns. Health 6, personal health, thus LAB-18. Before we start, let's have first the pretest. Will you get your one whole sheet of paper and ball pen? Okay, do you have it with you? Now, let's start. Let's read the direction. Write true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is incorrect. Let's go to number 1. Underweight is a reduce of growth rate in human development. Is it true or false? Let's go to number 2. Otitis media is common in children because the tube that allows fresh air in the middle ear is not yet fully developed compared with adults. Children experience middle ear infections when they have viral. Is it true or false? Let's go to number 3. Nearsightedness or myopia, the persons can see objects that are close but have problem seeing objects that are far. Is it true or false? Now let's go to number 4. Dandruff is caused when the skin is exposed to the sun for a period of time. The skin burns, turns red, and will be irritated. Is it true or false? Let's go to number 5, the last number. Cavities occurs as a result of tooth decay. Is it true or false? Now, let's answer. Check your own paper. Be honest. Let's go to number 1. Underweight is a reduce of growth rate in human development. What is your answer? Is it true or false? Yes, it is false. Now let's go to number 2. Otitis media is common in children because the tube that allows fresh air in the middle ear is not yet fully developed compared with adults. Children experiencing middle ear infection when they have viral. Is it true or false? What is your answer? Correct! It is true. Now let's go to number 3. Nearsightedness or myopia, the persons can see objects that are close but have problem seeing objects that are far. Is it true or false? What is your answer? Very good! It is true. Now let's go to number 4. Dandruff is caused when the skin is exposed to the sun for a period of time. The skin burns, turns red, and will be irritated. Is it true or false? What is your answer? Yes, it's true. Now let's go to number 5. Cavities occur as a result of tooth decay. Is it true or false? What is your answer? Correct! It is true. Who've got 5? Wow! Very good. Now let's go to our topic. So, why do we need to know the health issues and concern? Knowing the risks you and your family may face can help you find ways to avoid health problems. What are the health issues and concerns? So we have the height and weight, the hearing-related problems, the vision, the skin, hair, and nail problems, the posture and spine disorders, and the last one, oral and dental problem. Now let's go to the height and weight. First is the stunted growth. It is a reduce of growth rate in human development. As you can see, these two boys have the same age, but they have different height. This one has an stunted growth. Now let's go to number 2, underweight. Persons whose body weight is considered to be too low to be healthy because of malnourishment. Okay, let's go to number 3, the overweight. This is the abnormal or excessive fat accumulated that presents as risk to health. Next is the hearing-related problems. The first is the impacted cerumen. This is when earwax cerumen, like this is the earwax cerumen, build up in the ear and block the ear canal. This is the cerumen. It can cause temporary hearing loss and ear pain. Now let's go to number 5, which is the swimmer's ear. It is otitis externa. It is a bacterial infection typically caused by water that stayed in the outer ear canal for a long period of time. So, this is the result. Now, let's go to number 6, which is otitis media. So, otitis media, the middle ear fills with pus, infected fluid. This is the pus, the infected fluid. The pus pushes on the eardrum, which can be very painful. The next one is the vision. What is the problem in vision? The blurred vision. Loss of sharpness in eyesight like this one, making an object appear out of focus and hazy. Now let's go to number 8, which is the astigmatism. It is a condition in which your eye isn't completely round. Things at the distance may look blurry and wavy, like this one. This is blurry. Next is the myopia and the hyperopia. In myopia, you can see objects near, like this one, to clearly, but objects further away are blurry, like this one. Next is the hyperopia. So, hyperopia, you can see objects far, too clearly, but objects near are blurry, like this one, blurry, but the object far is clear. Now let's go to number 11, syrophthalmia. So syrophthalmia is the abnormal dryness of the conjunctiva and cornea of the eye. This is the conjunctiva and this is the cornea of the eye, with an inflammation and rid formation typically associated with vitamin A deficiency. Next is the strabismus. Look at his eyes. When your eyes are not lined up properly and they point in different direction. Look at these eyes. The direction is here and the eye here is, the direction is here. Now, the next one is the skin, hair, and nail. The first one is the sunburn. It is a result of skin receiving too much exposure from the sun's ultraviolet rays. It is a red and painful skin like that one. It hurts a lot. Next is the corns and calluses. A build-up of hard, thick areas of skin caused by friction like this one. Next is the blisters. It is a painful skin condition where fluid fills in space between layers of skin, like this one. They form when something like two tight shoes repeatedly rub against your skin. In Tagalog, paltos. Now, let's go to posture and spine disorders. The first one is the scoliosis. It is an abnormal curve of the spine or backbone. This is the normal spine and this is the scoliosis. Abnormal curve. There is a curve here. The next one is the lordosis. What is this? There is an exaggerated lumbar curve. This is the normal and this is exaggerated. Like this one. Now let's go to kyphosis. Kyphosis is an exaggerated forward rounding of the back. This is the normal, this one, and this is the kyphosis or the curve here at the back. The kyphotic curve. The next one is the oral dental problems, which is the cavities. A damage to the structure of the tooth. Like this one, there is a cavities. The black one is the cavities. Next is the gingivitis. It is the inflammation of the gums. You can see there is a blood in the gums because it is inflamed. The next one is the periodontitis. Periodontitis is a severe inflammation of the gum, red, bleeding, or swollen gum. Like this one, it is swollen. Next is the malocclusion. Malocclusion is the misaligned teeth. Like this one, misaligned. This is the normal, this is the misaligned or malocclusion. And the last one is the halitosis, which is the bad breath or bad odor coming from your mouth. Okay, now let's go to the post-test. So get one whole sheet of paper, write your name and section, and let's read the direction. Complete the column by writing the correct health issues and concerns according to their group. So there is a group of height and weight. What is the problem in height and weight? Put the health issues and concern here. The hearing related problems, what are the issues and concerns? The vision, what is the issues and concerns? Skin, hair, and nail, write the issues and concerns here. Then the posture and spine disorders here, and the oral dental problems in here. Okay, and then write your name and section, and then pass it in our GC. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like it, then subscribe it so that you can be notified whenever I upload another lesson video. Thank you.